first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello guys, welcome to DIY Repair Now. Today we're going to be working on a GE side by side. And the problem that we have with this refrigerator is that it's not cooling properly. The model number it's on the display. And we find out that the condenser fan motor was not working on the back. Now the symptoms that this refrigerator will have is not keeping up with the temperature, is defrosting. This is where the condenser fan motor is. As you see, I just point out the two screws they have to be removed. It's one in the back and one in the front. It's on the bracket that holds the condenser fan motor in place. And like I was saying, these symptoms will be it's not cooling properly and it's not keeping up with the temperature. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this little zip tie that is holding the wiring in place. Now in this situation, I have a ratchet 1/4, but I'm going to tell you everything that you can use to remove these screws. As you see, I have a little 1/4 ratchet. You can get this in any auto part, or you can use this small screwdriver that already brings a 1/4, or you can use one of these 1/4 bit with a small screwdriver. I also have this extension that goes to my drill with a 45 angle. So this is all the suggestions that I got for you to be able to remove this fan motor because it's a limited space. Now right now what you see me doing is removing the blade. I don't got that really good in the video, but as you see the blade, which is the fan that spins, I separated from the fan motor and I remove the fan motor. Now what you see me doing right now is removing the ground wire, which is attached in the other side of the bracket. Right there you see the ground wire, and it was attached and the other side of the bracket that holds the fan motor. If you want to see this video like with more details, just go to your settings and put it in like in a lower speed. This is the part number on the display. This is the fan that I'm using today. Now you gotta go by your model number to order the correct part for your refrigerator. Remember, if this fan is not spinning, most likely your fan motor is bad, but you have to be careful because the this fan have to be spinning when the compressor, which is the black ball thingy that you see right there, that's the compressor. If that compressor is on, this fan should be on. Now we're going to remove this rubber pieces that were in the old fan motor and put it on the new fan motor. Those pieces are the one keeps the fan motor in place, and also it works as of a shocking because it helps with the vibration. Now as you see me doing here, I'm gonna try to get much as I can on the video. This is the screw that goes in the other side of the bracket, and that's the one holds the ground wire and the back. Now all this that I told you about using all these different screwdrivers and attachment is because you have a limited space here. You will not be able to fit a regular size screwdriver. As you see, that ground wire goes to the other side of the bracket with the 1/4 screws. Now you're gonna go ahead and put the fan motor in place and put the screw on this side of the bracket. As always, the screws always fly away. I just found it and I'm putting the screw. Sorry, some of the footage I don't get it right. As you see right there, you can see where I'm putting the 1/4 screw in place, and I'm just putting it with my hand, but now I'm using the extension. However, I told you you can use a torpedo. I'm just doing this that way you can see this one is a torpedo screwdriver. That's how they call it. I don't know why, but that's a 1/4, or you can use your 1/4 screwdriver with your 1/4 bit, which is the one you put on the drill. I'm telling you, I'm just giving you a different scenarios and how you can do this, because most likely you're not gonna have this flexible extension with 1/4 bit and a drill. So give you a little bit more information in case you are limited with tools. As you see, this tool is very handy because it's flexible, and I can put my hand all the way on the other side. Now, as you see, same way I remove the blade, I'm going to try to put it back in place. This is little difficult. Try to do all this with patience because you can break the blades. These blades are very durable and flexible, so it would take a little bit of torque to be able to break those blades. Now, this area I'm putting the harness in place. Make sure it clips in place. It's a male to female harness, and also brings another strap. Just clip it in place, and it's a very simple repair. If your refrigerator is not cooling properly, it's not keeping up with the temperature, just go and check the fan motor. We're gonna go ahead and plug the refrigerator. 90% of the time, if the refrigerator is not on defrost mode, this will come right away after you unplug it on the wall. In this scenario, it was on defrost mode, so it took about 20 minutes to come on. So if that fan is not working and your compressor is on, your fan needs to be replaced. And it's a very simple way. I'm just showing you right now how to put your panel back on. This is 5/16 screws that goes all the way around this back panel. Very simple. Sorry I didn't got that on video, but like I was saying, this is how
if this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.